Indoor air pollution is serious and often invisible. Everyday activities like cooking, cleaning, living with a pet, or even environmental incidents like toxic volcanic ashfall can increase harmful contaminants in your home. UV Care's air purification technology is continuously working to provide cleaner, healthier, and safer air for all. Introducing UV Care Super Plasma Air Pro, the professional-grade air purifier for homes and businesses. The Super Plasma Air Pro goes through 9 stages of purification. Superior fabric pre-filter. This extends the life of the Hepa filter. Fine nylon mesh pre-filter captures large dust, dirt, hair, and pet dander. UV Care Virex technology, US lab tested to eliminate SARS-CoV-2 in less than a minute. Highest medical grade, H14 Hepa filter. This traps up to 99.998% of ultra-fine particles. Molecular sieve, adsorption layer. Absorbs excess moisture and reduces humidity in the air. Activated carbon filter. This removes odor and toxic gases like methane, ammonia, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Plasma ion technology stops the growth of viruses by introducing ions in your space. Photocatalyst filter. This removes harmful fuels, paints, aerosol sprays, and cleaners. Ultra-powerful UVC lamp. This kills airborne bacteria, germs, and viruses, including influenza, tuberculosis, MRSA, MERS-CoV, and COVID-19. Approved by US FDA as Class 2 medical device for air cleaning to achieve the safest air. UV Care Super Plasma Air Pro meets the highest standards in quality and effectiveness. UV Care, your total air care protection.